Ebid Marketplace is an online marketplace that allows individuals and businesses to buy and sell new and used items, including products, services, and digital goods. It's a platform that connects buyers and sellers from all over the world, providing a platform for trade. How to create your online store on Ebid Marketplace? To create your online store on Ebid Marketplace, follow these steps. 1. Sign up for an account on Ebid Marketplace by creating a username and password. 2. Fill out your profile information, including your name, email address, and contact information. 3. Create a store by clicking on the Create Store button. 4. Choose a store name, add a logo, and set up your store's categories and subcategories. 5. Add products to your store by clicking on the Add Product button. 6. Set prices, descriptions, and images for each product. 7. Customize your store's appearance by adding a theme and configuring settings. Things you should know before starting to make money online with Ebid Marketplace. 1. Fees. Ebid Marketplace charges a small fee for each sale, ranging from 3% to 10% of the sale price. 2. Competition. With millions of active users, competition can be high on Ebid Marketplace. 3. Shipping. You'll need to handle shipping logistics and ensure that products are delivered to customers. 4. Returns. Ebid Marketplace has a returns policy in place, which may affect your business. 5. Product quality. Make sure to provide high-quality products and descriptions to attract buyers and build trust. 6. Marketing. You'll need to promote your store and products through social media, advertising, or other means to attract customers. 7. Security. Use secure payment methods and ensure that your store is secure from hackers and other cyber threats. Additional tips. 1. Start small and focus on a specific niche or product category. 2. Use high-quality images and descriptions to showcase your products. 3. Offer competitive pricing and consider offering discounts or promotions. 4. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and resolve any issues quickly. 5. Monitor your store's performance regularly and adjust strategies accordingly.